Hello, Italy, Spain, and Portugal. This is Kory Kogon. I am the Vice President of Global Field Development for Franklin Covey, as well as the author of the 5 Choices to Extraordinary Productivity. I look forward to meeting with you by webcast in a couple of weeks to have a discussion around building remote work muscle, productivity in this new world that we are in. So amazing what's going on. What Spain and Italy in particular you are going through as we're watching and just figuring out new ways of communicating, connecting, doing work together, and for many people now sequestered or being forced to work in an environment that they weren't planning on. So look forward to connecting with you and both sharing some of our thoughts and learning from you as well. Take care, stay healthy.